So welcome back to the MS Word video series. In the last class, we discussed about the picture option, these basic options. Now here is some other options like this one. If you want to change, if you want to set the alignment of the picture, you can also do that. You have to click on the align left, align center. These are the aligns of the text. If you want to group the picture, you can also create a duplicate. You have to press the Control D. The picture's duplicate will be generated. I'm going to delete this one and decrease the size of this. Like put it here and press the Control D and you will get a duplicate of this picture. I have deleted this. Now press the Control and click on this picture. This will be automatically selected. If you want to make them group, you have to click on the group and this will be converted into a group. Now what you have to do, simply I'm going to press the Control and drag it. The duplicate will be generated automatically. Now what I'm going to do, simply I'm going to press the Control and click on it again, and then I'm going to generate their group again. Now click on the group. We have another group. Now what I'm going to do, press the Control and make the duplicate of this. As you can see, it looks much better like a design. Now simply I'm going to press the Control again, click on this, and I'm going to create a group again. So this is the like a design. You can use the group option like this. If you want to ungroup, you have to click on that group. It will be ungroup automatically. After that, we have another option like rotate. If you want to rotate the picture, you can also do that, like rotate picture like this. So this is, it's up to you. If you want to rotate the picture, you can also do that. After that, we have another option which is called crop. I'm going to press the Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and I'm going to delete this one and increase the size of this. As you can see, I have increased the size of this. Now go to the picture format again. We have another option which is called crop. You have to click on the crop. If you want to crop the picture, you can also do that. Sorry, I am going in the wrong way. Now, like if you want to crop the picture here, you can also do it. I want the picture, crop the picture, and press the enter. Picture will be automatically cropped. Now go to the picture format tab again. If you want to increase the size, you can also do that. If you want to increase the size or whatever you want, you can do that. So our picture format tab is completed and all the options we have discussed about pictures. So I hope this is going to be very useful for you guys. You just need to practice on them and you will understand easily. So see you in the next video.